Welcome back to USA Alert Zone, where we break down the immigration policies shaping your life. Today's video is your warning if you're a green card holder. Trump's 2025 rules just flipped the game, and if you haven't become a U.S. citizen yet, you may be putting your future at serious risk. Green card versus citizenship. What's the real risk now? Let's begin with a simple question. Is a green card still safe? On paper, a green card grants you lawful permanent residency, the right to work and live in the U.S., and eventual eligibility for citizenship. But in reality, it comes with strings. You have to renew it every 10 years. You're still subject to deportation, and long trips abroad can lead to abandonment. Now compare that with U.S. citizenship. You get full constitutional rights. You can vote in all elections. You can sponsor family more easily. Most importantly, you cannot be deported, except in extremely rare fraud cases. Before, these differences mattered. In 2025, they could decide whether you stay in the country or not. Trump's 2025 immigration shifts. What you need to know. Trump's latest immigration strategy is aggressive. It focuses on identification, removal, and restriction. These are the 5 major changes now affecting green card holders. 1. Mandatory DHS registration. Every non-citizen, including green card holders, must now register their address with DHS via Form AR-11 within 10 days of moving. Failing to do so is now a misdemeanor, which can result in removal proceedings. 2. Expanded deportation grounds. Deportation is no longer limited to serious crimes. Now, even old misdemeanors, expired documents, or small immigration violations like missed form deadlines can get your case reopened. There's no more leniency. 3. Travel bans return, and they're broader. Just like the 2017 bans, Trump has reinstated travel restrictions, but they now cover more countries. Green card holders from these regions are reporting delays, denials, and heightened airport scrutiny. Reentry is no longer guaranteed. 4. Fast-track deportations with no hearings. If you've ever had a past deportation order, overstayed abroad, or have an unresolved case, you could be deported without seeing a judge. No warning, no appeal. Even a green card won't protect you in this system. 5. Humanitarian relief is shrinking. Programs like TPS and parole have been rolled back. Public charge rules are now stricter. Some green card holders are even being denied citizenship because they once received public benefits. Why some are still hesitating, and why that's dangerous. So why do some green card holders still avoid applying for citizenship? Their home country doesn't allow dual nationality. They plan to go back one day. They fear the English or civics test, or they worry about past minor legal issues. But with the current enforcement wave, waiting is the riskiest option. ICE and DHS are digging deep into old files. Even small offenses are being used to deny renewals or trigger ntas, notices to appear in immigration court. Who should apply for citizenship immediately? If any of the following apply to you, don't delay. You've had a green card for 5 years, or 3 if married to a U.S. citizen. You meet English and civics test requirements. You don't have unresolved legal or immigration issues. You want the right to vote, travel freely, and protect yourself from future policy changes. Because here's the bottom line. Citizenship gives you safety. You can't be deported for small infractions. You're exempt from most travel bans. You can sponsor family, and you'll never face removal proceedings again. 2025 Green Card Reality Check. Green cards no longer provide the security they once did. They now come with risk, and every new executive order or policy memo can change your fate overnight. Today, permanent residency doesn't mean permanent safety. Final thoughts. Make the move before it's too late. Becoming a citizen used to be a choice. In 2025, it's a survival strategy. If you qualify, apply now. Don't wait for the next executive order to target you. If you're staying on a green card, follow every rule strictly. Keep your address updated. Limit long travel. Get legal advice if you've had any past issues. Thanks for watching USA Alert Zone. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay ahead of critical immigration news. Stay safe, stay informed, and stay protected. See you in the next one.